Today presentation this software is a page builder software. Friend, every online pupil must be use your website. So we are thinking my page, my website, how to build, how to ranking, how to useful every solution. This software easy to use. See, computer screen or mobile screen, most affordable to easy usage fair to see this. See this software, more and more information. See how to use or easy to use. See this video.
You probably already know that there are a lot of page builders out there. Heck, I've bought a few of them myself. But the main problem with most of these page builders is that they are just too complicated and too time consuming to use, and that's after you've managed to get it all set up. They can also cost you an arm and a leg too, and a lot of them charge by the month or the year. Yes, page builders can be a website building lifesaver if you get the one that's right for you. With Easy Page Builder, we wanted to strip back all of the complicated setup and the huge learning curve that's involved with some of these page builders. And we also wanted to strip back the costs for you too, giving you an affordable, user-friendly page builder that takes just seconds to set up and anyone can master in just a few minutes. But hey, rather than me just telling you about this, let me show you exactly what it does and how simple it is to use too. Okay, so here we are inside of the members area, and as you'll soon see, everything is very easy and simple to use. Okay, so the first page you'll come across is this admin welcome area, okay, where you can enter your name and email if you like to get notified of updates. But you can also do something else in here. You can also back up your entire site by simply clicking on that link, and that will send you to a download where you can back up the entire site.
See, easy to use.
So if you make any changes, and you want
This
to,
software
made quite a few
page.
changes, and you want to save them, all you need to do is
You
back up
buy
your
the
entire site
software,
from that link.
then
Okay.
see
admin
computer
settings,
screen.
dead basic.
See
This
how
is
to
basically
use
where you'll
the
put in your
software.
username and password for the website, and also enter your full name and contact email address for lost password purposes. Okay, so that's just to secure your site there. And the first main setting is this basic design settings. Okay, so this is where you can add a custom header. You can change some colors, the page width, or you can choose pixels or percentage, page paddings. Okay, so basic styling here, font size, and also add in a footer there. And you can also
See
put in your
this
own
video
ID, which will affiliate you
part
to
by
Easy Page
part
Builder,
uses
from the
how
powered by
to
link on the
use
page, giving you
this
50%
video.
commissions on all sales made. Now I'll just show you what the site looks from dead basic. Okay, so this is the site just being uploaded, and this is how it looks.
See my video description link, easy to click now or more this video information. So see, if your screen being processing authorized, simple to use page editor, but find that you needed to have dragon dress. People want to see, so what to know, keep seeing a small possible, because we all know that time is money, so longer take us to create something, the more money we needed to make. We did not want to create author completed page editing editor that takes your help your life. Learn then processing skill to activated got it up running. Simple to use what you see what you got editing. See really could not get any simple if you can point much click and type then you already must be easy to page builder. See design may made simple. See nothing could be easy to click select hidden needed check your page with pending and clear and good easy to page builder. Complete simple finance builders. See create a complete final very easy to say sell page affiliate page OTO page secured page A1 page etc. Please you also got the available to create any other page you remain. See fast and easy uploading image directly for the editing into the methods of second allow you build benefited looking page that time is all you need. Another feature that make fast and easy to for use create a page. Step 1 upload, step 2 logging, step 3 customize. Upload your domain and only take another 30 seconds. Logging your special admin control panel that proof customize build easy to use real easy to got. See fast editing system easy to marketplace page and second customize and finance 100% mobile ready to page everything you needed on place one click back system step to step video training built be 100% need friendly. See the software page everything need to create some looking graphics. See easy to build manage high bold bonus 2 bonus 1 graphics bonus 2 70 speak high quality professional paves image create and good PSD source file bonus 3 22 super high quality premium hiding template ready to very simple and own create into really high quality handle template bonus 4 traffic anything you online traffic graphics special traffic types high quality traffic bonus 5 needed to additional traffic boost to your website. This complete training courses will show you how to generate all the traffic you can. Easy to page builder bonus 6 manage high voltage bonus, 6 high quality video explain how can discover 51 to best traffic source to manage build super affiliate use found this time million various easy to single month method bonus 7 graphics looking graphics high quality social media icon call active button timeline covers graphics download video skins 30-day money back guarantee. So it is a risk free. There is a risk free. Why? Because 30-day money back guarantee. Secured order, best verify opportunity. See unlimited steel license, single payment, add a card, add your card and buy button. Finance template complete simple finance builders reading system step by step video training 1 year support your unlimited upgrade 30-day money back guarantee. See step by step video training 30-day money back guarantee unlimited upload finance template simple finance builders fast dynamic editing system step by step training 1 year support 1 year unlimited upload 30-day money back guarantee add a card buy button this software. So friend, what do you think? Just click the video description link or buy button, build your website, build your online marketing, build your affiliate marketing or more and more earn money. So I think this is the best software to every uses very easily website builder people. Thank you friend, thank you for watching my video. More and more information about my description link